Manufactured from steel wire. Large eye. Easy installation. Sharp eye points bite into wood easily and quickly. Manufactured from steel wire. It has a large eye. Easy to install. Weatherguard coating protects against rust. Extensive testing and field use have proven Weatherguard is far superior in corrosion resistance over competitive standard zinc-plated products. When subjected to 312 hours of salt fog spray testing, BHMA A156.18, standard zinc hardware showed severe corrosion while hardware protected by Weatherguard withstood these harsh conditions with very little deterioration. Whether for home, farm, builder or industrial customers, National has all the right hardware in the sizes and finishes you need. With over a century of service, National is committed to maintaining the highest level of product quality, innovation and manufacturing technology. Providing latching and fastening options for all of your indoor and outdoor uses. An industry-leading set of screw eyes in a host of sizes are offered in zinc-plated with proprietary Weatherguard, which has the 3 times higher corrosions resistance than the competition. Along with zinc-plated, there is a strong contingent of solid brass and stainless steel screw eyes available. Zinc plating offers corrosion resistance for all of your functional hardware needs. Top reviews from the United States. Great. I bought them for my porch swing. Perfectly compatible.